friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Meatzza Chicken Masala Salami. So this is Chicken Salami Masala Sliced from Meatzza, guys, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the packaging of it. So the Meatzza Chicken Salami comes in this plastic packaging right here with the Meatzza branding right on top. We can see here you can see the non-vegetarian symbol because this is chicken salami, guys, so it's a non-veg product. Net weight of this pack is 250 grams, which is mentioned right here on top. There's a Meatzza branding here. We can see English breakfast chicken salami masala slice is mentioned here. 100% authentic international recipe. And what is mentioned here, that these are fully cooked, so you can actually eat out of the packet after defrosting it as well. So I generally like eating my salami like just out of the packet after it defrost, and like it gives a good taste to it. It's called cold cuts, what I call it. So it tastes really nice. Now moving on to the ingredients, what are these salamis made from? These are made from boneless chicken meat, water, refined soybean oil, soya protein, starch, green chili, iodized salt, wheat flour, spices and spice extracts, dehydrated garlic powder, sequitrant, antioxidant, and color fixatives are mentioned here. Now coming to the energy is 1.1, 226 kcals of energy it provides in every 100 gram serving. It provides like 226 kcals of energy. And coming to the MRP of the product, so the MRP is rupees 185 for 250 grams. Now guys, moving on to the texture. I've been eating the salamis for quite some time and I really love them. This is a fresh pack that I have right now. It's completely frozen, so I can't open and show it to y'all. But if y'all can see this, there is like, you can see sliced green chilies inside it. There's garlic and sliced green chili condiments inside it, which actually adds to the taste, makes it really nice, gives it like that spicy kick to the salami. Now, how many salamis do we generally get in this packet? So if I count it, it would be around close to 36 to 40 salamis that come in this 250 gram packet, which is quite a good deal for rupees 185. Salamis, what do salamis go best with? You can like eat it plain as like cold cuts. You can add them to salads. You can add them to your pastas. You can add them on your pizzas. You can make salami sandwiches. A lot of variety of stuff can be made from salamis. And salamis is one of my go-to products when I just don't feel like cooking anything. This is something I just go to because these are great tasting options that I like to have with my food. So guys, I've tried multiple salamis in the past and I feel Meatzza Chicken Salami Masala Sliced has become one of my favorite salamis to have, and it's easily available online on Amazon as well as on all of these quick commerce apps as well, like Zepto and Blinkit and all of those stuff. They also keep these Meatzza Chicken Salami Masala Slice available, so y'all can purchase it from there. I think you get a discount there as well. I think I purchased this for some rupees 140 or something, though the MRP on the pack is 185. So you can purchase it from there as well. So yeah, like the overall quality is good, taste is amazing, and very versatile product. You can use it in multiple things. So an amazing buy, I would say. I would rate the Meatzza Masala Slice Salami a good 9.5 on 10 for its amazing taste and the budget cost for it. So guys, if y'all are looking to buy it, I'll left a link in the description. Y'all can do check it out and y'all can purchase it from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.